Once your account is created, you will be able to proceed with two-factor authentication for more security. Begin by logging into your AdvCash account. On your homepage, click on your username located at the top right corner of the screen, then select Security Settings. Next to Two-Factor Authentication, 2FA, click on the Configure button. In the Tokens section, click again on Configure, then choose Software Token. Download the Authenticator application or add its extension to your web browser. It's a quick and straightforward process. Once downloaded, go to your browser's extensions and launch the Authenticator app to set it up. Click on Edit, then add an account. Finally, select Acquire QR code and scan your QR code. The app will generate a 6-digit code every 30 seconds. Make sure you have time to copy and paste it. Click on Activate to finalize the security of your account.